Today I am talking about something special about Mastercard stocks. Here you can see how much return these stocks give in today, and these stocks traded at this moment $563. In the last 5 days these stocks give 0.8% negative return. In the last 1 month these stocks give approx 4% return. In the last 6 months as it is return. In the last year to date 0% absolutely return. Honestly, these stocks give in the last 1 year very poor return. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below. I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. In the last 5 years these stocks make 55% return. Here you can see these stocks make how much return. Okay, in the last whole return 1, 2, 4, that means 124x return these stocks give to investor. That means 12,400% return these stocks give to investor. Here you can see how much return these stocks give. And always do your own research before investing. Follow for more US stocks breakdown.